Guys, welcome back to my channel. मेरा नाम ग्लेशन आलवा है and in this video I will be sharing with you 4 tips that will help you to complete your 16 hour of fast, that is your intermittent fasting. तो मैंने last video में I had shared the science behind intermittent fasting and how does it promote fat loss. So in this video I will be sharing 4 tips that will help you to prevent your hunger during intermittent fasting. In my previous video I had received a question from a friend of mine, that is intermittent fasting video के लिए वो question आया था, and which says that he was doing intermittent fasting for a very long time and उसे इतने results नहीं आ रहे थे. So I will cover this question at the end of the video. So I would want you guys to stay tuned for the whole video, understand the 4 tips which will help you to prevent hunger, and then finally मैं ये question भी answer करूँगा. So stay tuned. Before I get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss out on such informative videos which I upload every week, and also hit that bell icon so that you guys get notified whenever I upload such informative content. So now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. So the tip number 1 is a black coffee. Black coffee is one of the best ways to prevent your hunger, and now there are studies to support this statement. Studies have shown that black coffee or consumption of black coffee helps you to control your appetite anywhere between half an hour to 4 hours after consumption of coffee. Now studies have also shown that the appetite control effect of coffee, that is controlling of the hunger, subsides anywhere between 3 hours to 4 hours after consumption of black coffee. So you can say that black coffee will help you to prevent hunger anywhere between 3 hours to 4 hours. So it is a good solution when you're trying to prevent your hunger. Moreover, coffee has some benefits. So whenever you consume coffee, your energy levels increases and your metabolism boosts, which in turn helps you to burn fat. But whenever you're consuming coffee, make sure it is black or it is a normal coffee. Do not add milk or sugar to it, otherwise it will boost your insulin levels, and our main focus here is to keep our insulin levels down. I hope this information was very clear for you guys. Now if you want to know more about intermittent fasting, I have made a separate video for it. You can go ahead and check the video, but after completing this video I will be placing the link here above in the I icon. Go ahead and check that video after completing this video. So tip number 2 is green tea. Now there are a lot of people who do not like to consume black coffee. These people can have green tea. Now green tea is as good as black coffee. It will help you to reduce your hunger. It will help you to increase fat loss. Moreover, it also has a lot of antioxidants and it will also help you to prevent bad breath. So go ahead and grab that glass of green tea. So as a conclusion, आप black coffee पी सकते हो या green tea पी सकते हो, depending upon your choice. Both will help you to control your hunger and also promote fat loss. I hope this information was really clear for you guys till here. So now let's get into point number 3 and point number 4. Coming to tip number 3, and my tip number 3 is apple cider vinegar. Now there are a lot of people who face issues with digestion, so this apple cider vinegar is aid for you guys, as it will help you to improve your digestion. It will help you to burn the lower belly fat and hunger to hai. That's the reason why I added this point here. So it will help you to prevent your hunger also. It will lower your blood sugar levels, and finally it will help you to improve your insulin sensitivity. What do I mean by improved insulin sensitivity? इसका मतलब ये होता है जब भी हम खाना खाएंगे आफ्टर 16 आवर्स ऑफ फास्ट एंड हमारा इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी हाई होगा, सो आवर बॉडी विल इफेक्टिवली यूज द न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम द फूड. I hope this information was very clear for you guys up till here. If the information was really clear or very crisp and clear, go ahead and hit the like button for the efforts I have taken to make this video. Coming to my fourth tip and final tip of the day, water. So when you're in a fasted state or normally also, you need to drink lots of water. Now water has a lot of benefits. It keeps your body hydrated. It makes you feel full so that it helps to prevent hunger and you can have or you can complete your fast. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जब भी मैं फुटबॉल खेलता था कॉलेज डेज के टाइम पे, मैं कम पानी पीता था एंड मुझे बहुत क्रैम्प्स आते थे आफ्टर द मैच एंड हमारे कोच बोलते थे यू नीड टू ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. सो पीपल हु आर प्लेइंग स्पोर्ट्स, पीपल हु गो टू द जिम और एनीवन फॉर दैट मैटर, you need to consume lots of water, or you can say 2 to 3 liters of water on daily basis. So it will help in proper functioning of the body. It will keep your skin clear. It will keep you hydrated. So if you want a clear skin and a hydrated body, go ahead and grab that glass of water. So coming to the last and the final part, that is a question जो मेरे friend ने मेरे previous video में पूछा था, that is the intermittent fasting video, and the question goes like this. He says कि वो intermittent fasting कर रहे थे from past 1.5 month and there was no results. He did not drop much weight. So my answer to this would be, so intermittent fasting is a weapon given to you, but intermittent fasting कर रहे हो but you also need to back it up with good healthy food. Healthy food मतलब good quality protein, carbohydrate and fats. And this is one thing to answer this question. Also you need to have a good quality workout. By workout I mean there should be cardio sessions and also weightlifting sessions. So intermittent fasting along with good healthy food along with workout sessions will help you to reduce fat. So these three things should be there. मैं ये बहुत simple रखने के लिए देख रहा हूँ. Like if I go into technicalities and in depth, ये वीडियो बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. And like to finally summarize this question, you can say you should be burning more calories compared to what you are eating. Yeah, this is the law of energy, right? Energy in equals to energy out. So if you want to burn more weight, energy out should be more than energy in. अगर आप देखते होगे football players या any athletes, why are they always in good shape? हाँ, अच्छा खाना तो खाते ही हैं, but they are spending a lot of energy. Their energy is used whenever they are running, playing any sport. अगर आप क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो को देखते हो तो his major of his work involves running and weight training sessions along with good quality food. So these three things should be there if you are planning to reduce weight and if you are planning to have a good physique. So ये easy नहीं होता है, it's a good journey. Like if you want to live healthy life, it's a lifestyle. ये एक दो दिन में नहीं होता है, but you need to live this lifestyle. That's what my answer to this would be. But in the future I would be making videos wherein how you can track your calories, how you can track your macros, what workouts you should be doing. And मैं skipping पे भी बहुत सारे videos डालूंगा which definitely helps to increase fat loss and improve fat burning. I hope I did my best in answering this question. Let me know if you have further more doubts. I'll be more than happy to answer them. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा and if you liked the information where I've shared how you can prevent your hunger while doing intermittent fasting, please go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on such informative content that I upload every week. I mostly upload videos on Fridays क्योंकि मैं काम करता हूँ and I try my level best to get those videos to you. So go ahead and like the video and मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, stay safe, take care, much love, God bless you all.